Fufu was a beautiful grey cat. She lived with Mrs. Scott in a small, cozy house. Fufu was happy at her house. In the morning, she sat in front of her favorite window and looked outside. In the afternoon, she slept on her favorite blue sofa in the living room. In the evening, she ate from her favorite bowl. Then, one day, Mrs. Scott got a dog. His name was Bruno.
Meow, meow.
In the morning, Bruno sat at Fufu's favorite window. In the afternoon, Bruno slept on Fufu's favorite blue sofa. In the evening, Bruno ate from Fufu's favorite bowl. Fufu wasn't happy. She wasn't happy at Mrs. Scott's house.
Meow.
She left. Mrs. Scott looked everywhere for Fufu, but she couldn't find her. Fufu was gone. Mrs. Scott was very, very sad. Bruno lived with Mrs. Scott for 8 years. Then he died. The next day, Mrs. Scott opened the door, and there was Fufu, a male cat, and 3 kittens were with her. Now, Fufu had a family. Fufu and her family walked into Mrs. Scott's house. Fufu jumped up on her favorite blue sofa. Now she was happy, because now she was home. Hey everyone, Teacher Chicken here. Did you enjoy the video? Now it's time for questions. Question 1. What animal was Fufu? Question 2. What animal was Question 3. Where did Fufu live? Question 4. Who did Fufu live with? Question 5. What color was Fufu? Question 6. What did Fufu do in the morning? Question 7. What did Fufu do in the afternoon? Question 8. What did Fufu do in the evening? Question 9. Was her sofa red? Question 10. What did she eat from? Question 11. Did Fufu like Bruno? Question 12. What did Bruno do in the morning? Question 13. What did Bruno do in the afternoon? Question 14. What did Bruno do in the evening? Question 15. Why did Fufu leave Mrs. Scott's house? Question 16. How long did Bruno live with Mrs. Scott for? Question 17. When did Fufu return? Question 18. Why did Fufu return? Question 19. Who was in Fufu's family? Question 20. What did Fufu do when she returned home? Okay everyone, thank you so much for watching our video. If you have any questions, or if you would like to answer the questions, you can do that by commenting down below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to see more videos like this.